other side of the last garden, I cleared a row about 10 feet wide. You could back it in there for my well looking like this. You can see it. Well, Jess seems to be enjoying herself.
She's loving it.
Good.
She really is.
Seems happy.
She's, yeah, it's just, it's day and night, and it's such a weird thing because
It is.
everything's so new and foreign to it. Yeah, he's a pro.
Anybody else I wouldn't have said. Okay, so see that right there? That's actually my well.
Okay. Oh, I see.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what it does is it pumps underneath those 2 blue barrels.
Yeah.
In the ground 3 more feet is a 1,750 gallon holding tank.
Okay.
So it pumps into the holding tank,
And then
the holding tank pumps to the house.
Awesome.
Look how far I'm pumping it away.
Is it down slope or?
It's slightly down,
Yeah.
but it would go uphill.
Okay.
But when you guys talk about, I got to worry about where the well is, really?
Right.
This cost me $1 a foot to trench it down there.
Okay.
$660 to get it to the house.
Okay.
Don't make your decision on where you put your house based upon the well.
Right.
It's not.
Yeah.
It's just not significant in reference to.
How far down do you have to go?
100 feet is how to feed it. We
Okay.
hit water at 64 feet, but I dug at 100 because where I live here, they charge you for 100 whether you dig 25 or 100.
So in theory, and I don't know much about it, could you go down in similar areas or within a line somewhere, 100 feet,
It all
and
depends
pretty
on what's
much
up
have?
underneath it. Right?
Okay.
It depends on where those pockets are. You know, here.
I've noticed the soil here is not rocky at all. It was hard for me to find rocks.
Yeah.
I went all looking, and I found one area that had a couple rocks. Man, he's
Sure not too close to anything.
Yeah, you tell me, but it's probably all right. That's just the control stuff. The actual tank is under these blue barrels right here.
Yeah, we're good.
Yep,
Yeah.
drop it right there, bud.
I'll go ahead and take my chains off, and then I'll probably back up a little bit more. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Look at that. That is such a cool trailer.
Oh wow, it is.
Yeah, no, yeah, dude, that trailer is really bad.
Yeah, I just noticed what it did.
Got scissors.
That is pretty neat. Oh wow. That's really neat. Just like that. Man.
Same sound?
And if I remember right, I had to dress you guys up a little bit so they open and close
Yeah.
decent.
One of them, yeah. One of them.
I wouldn't do it to mine, but it doesn't mean, but you can cut this inner seal
Yep.
right here out of just this edge right here and cut that out, and it'll open and close so easy. It's not even funny.
What does that do to it being rodent proof?
It'll still be rodent proof because it's got the outer seal, and as long as it's good.
Yeah, I'd rather it just open up. So this is our shipping container. It's a high cube, so it's 9.5 feet tall. This is what we put in it, just the stuff we brought.
We'll rearrange it when it's cooler out.
So Tag put pallet shelving, which is like
Racking.
metal racks
Yeah.
in here. And so that gives you an aisle all the way down. And this stuff, just what we had. So good
Yep.
little start. Emptying out the truck. She's coming home empty.
Yep.
And we're ready to go. Let's do this.
Crazy how close that guy was able to drop this next to that thing.
He put it next to their well.
He's on top of it now, just about. why Tag wanted it there. He said the phrase was mileage. You get mileage on all the things that you do, and so this, he's setting it here, but he just didn't say, oh, let's set it somewhere where it's not going to benefit me. I'm going to set it here because it's going to block the north wind and not freeze his stuff. It'll keep his well from freezing in the winter.
Very cool.
Yeah, so he's glad to have it here.
Good. Yeah, watching him deliver it was crazy.
Got that on video.
Yep.